Hey everybody, it's Bobby here filling in for my mom today. She's off doing jewelry TV, which a lot of you enjoy. I know that I do. My mom's jewelry is beautiful. Today, I want to show you a really simple but delicious shrimp and wild rice casserole. This is something that will go over really well with your family and anybody who doesn't have a shrimp allergy. But I think that you'll like it. So go ahead and get yourself a box of wild rice and cook it off. Okay, I'm not going to demo that because it's just super simple and straightforward and you all know how to do it. So there's our wild rice that's already been cooked, and I've got about a pound of shrimp here that I also cooked really gently and quickly for about a minute or two. Shrimp are one of those things that are simple to cook, but if you overcook them, you can't undo that. So you want to cook those perfectly. These shrimp were sauteed in a skillet, like I said, for a minute or two until they're perfectly pink and delicious. So that is the most time-consuming part of the whole recipe right there, those two things. Next, I'm going to take a pat of butter, and in my skillet here, I'm going to saute some onion and some pepper just for a couple of minutes. I'm going to let this butter sort of melt down a little bit, and yeah, we're rocking. So I'm going to go ahead and add in my pepper and my onion. Two great things that taste great together. So while this is sauteing over here, just a little bit because I got it on low, I'm going to turn that up just a little bit. Get that working. Gosh, that already smells so good. I'm going to come back over here to my ingredients, and I'm going to combine the rice, which is a bit, go by the directions on the box, but this rice is a little sticky, which I love. Now to the rice, I'm going to add a can of cream of mushroom soup. This is always...
That was to help you out.
To do what?
To get the cream of mushroom out of the can.
Okay, yeah, I will. Okay, so I'm going to combine my rice and a can of cream of mushroom soup. See how easily this comes out or not. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Oh, there it goes. Sometimes it'll just all come out in one big glob, and it almost all came out. Cream of mushroom soup is magic. It's in many casserole recipes. I remember my mom making green bean casserole when I was a kid. And even as a kid, not loving vegetables yet, cream of mushroom soup seems to make everything more palatable to me. Okay, so cream of mushroom soup, rice, and to that I'm going to add our shrimp. And I want to be gentle here, okay? I'm going to use about half my cheese in the rice, shrimp, cream of mushroom soup mixture, and I'm going to save the other half to top. All right, so you've heard me say this before, but we want to gently fold this. I don't want to tear those shrimp up. I just want to really marry everything together, and that cream of mushroom soup is going to help me do just that. This already, you can tell, I predict greatness. Sometimes simple is better, you know. And I don't mind a can of cream of mushroom soup. Maybe some of you do, but I sure don't. It's a great recipe enhancer. It's a great way to get flavor and really add a lot of, it just gives a lot of oomph to the recipe. All right, that looks really good. And again, it's folding. I don't want to beat my shrimp up into pulps. And I don't want to tear them up. I just want to make sure that the cheese is well mixed, that cream of mushroom soup has completely touched every bit of rice and everything else. Okay, my butter, onion, and pepper mixture looks and smells so good. I don't want to overcook this because we're going to bake this off in the oven after all. So that looks and smells delicious. I'm going to go ahead and add that to the rice, shrimp, cream of mushroom soup, and cheese. Okay. And another round of folding, just to get everything mixed together and married up really nicely. I've got a casserole dish here, and I've already sprayed it with some pan coating. And we'll just add to that. Our rice, shrimp, casserole ingredients. Gosh, that looks and smells so good already. And you can see that this is going to be a stick to your ribs recipe. It's going to be rich and creamy with that cream of mushroom soup. And I know that it's going to taste great because it smells so, so good. Now, if you wanted to, this recipe doesn't call for it, but if you wanted to put a little bit of panko or some sort of breadcrumbs on top of this, I think that would be wonderful. Or if you wanted to do, the onion, the crunchy onion on top, you could do that. Whatever, no real rules. My mom has always told me, whenever you prepare a recipe, do it exactly by the book the first time, and then each time after that, make it your own. Do whatever you'd like. And this looks perfect. Now, this recipe came off my mom's website, I think. Is that right? Not out of a magazine or anything. I think it's off my mom's
Off the website.
And my mom's website is loaded with great recipes. Okay, here we go. Our casserole is put together, looks great, came together really simply and quickly. I think that you'll like this recipe, but I think you'll like it even more after we bake it off. So let's go to the oven, 325 degrees, and we're probably going to cook this for about 25 or 30 minutes, okay? So let's take a little break, and I'll see you when it comes out of the oven. That shrimp and wild rice casserole has been in the oven for 25 minutes, and it smells fantastic. So let's go ahead and take it out. Ooh-wee, boy, hot. Super hot. Oof. Wow, look at that. Beautiful wild rice shrimp casserole. You can see that it's bubbling and delicious. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I can't wait to dig in. I love all the ingredients in here. I'm a huge rice fan. Most kids love it. This recipe should go over great with your family, and I think it'll be a big hit. So, if you want to let us know, you can. But see you next time.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.